Hey Patty Besties, welcome back. If you don't know us, I'm Rhonda.
And I'm Haley.
And we do subscription box unboxings here. Today we have TestTube Beauty, GlossyBox, Curly Queen Kit,
Allure, Adore, and Walmart Beauty Box.
So let's get started. We're going to start off with TestTube Beauty and
the Adore box.
So I love TestTube Beauty. It is a bi-monthly box for $30 a month. And bi-monthly, so $30 each time. Or you can buy a whole year ahead, which is a little bit cheaper. And they do charge $9 shipping, but they always come in these adorable tubes, and they're designed differently every single time. And it's always so full that there's other stuff in the box. Like they can never fit everything in the test tube. But this is one of my favorites.
The Adore box is $12 a month. It comes with 5 to 6 items, and they do have a price list.
This retails for $79. It is the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Age-Defying Exfoliator.
So my first item is a Yes to Tomatoes DIY powder to clay mask that retails at $6.
Let's see. And then I have this Avene Thermal Spring Water, which retails for $18.50. So this says, without shaking, spray onto the skin in a fine mist and leave on for 2 to 3 minutes before gently patting dry. The mist can be used post-cleanse, post-laser, post-sunburn, or even post-shave for a refreshing burst of hydration. That's a nice big bottle too. Mm-hmm. That is huge. Okay.
My second item is a
Micellar
cleansing water. It retails at $9.99.
I'm seeing a lot of things in mine that I've never seen before. So this is the 8 Saints Cloud Whip, retailing for $28, although I don't know if this is full size, but it says it's jam-packed with vitamin C and antioxidants. This do-it-all moisturizer works to knock out signs of dryness, dullness, and even acne. After applying a day or night serum, massage this moisturizer into the face and neck. All right. I mean, I think this could be considered like an anti-aging. Only because like most people don't start doing stuff like that until they're a lot older.
I'm sorry, I can't get over massage.
It kind of really makes you wonder, like, what's going on in there? Like when you say weird things like that, it's like, what's going on in there, like subconsciously, that's like making you say weird things.
Okay, my next item is an Ardell Naked Lashes. This retails for $5.99. Very cute lashes.
Okay, this is the Collab Original Dry Shampoo. Oil absorption without white residue. That's nice. Retail value for this is $5.49. Shake well before sectioning dry hair and spraying directly onto the roots. Massage the product with your fingertips and follow by brushing through.
Contactless keychain with a bottle opener and stylus.
That's pretty cool. You don't necessarily, so that's like something about the Adore box, is that it's not necessarily makeup products. You can get something super random like that in it. Hey now, don't steal my beauty products. This is the Vivi Naturals hand sanitizer, Vita and hand sanitizer spray, retailing at $10. Is there something special? This hand sanitizer dramatically reduces the amount of bacteria on the skin without stripping of essential oils. Oh, this isn't necessarily for your hands. It also says this must-have can also be used on surfaces and doorknobs for increased protection. And I'm going to see what it smells like, because I have a feeling that this doesn't smell like hand sanitizer. Oh. It does it's
Chemically.
it is very chemically. I was thinking it might not, because some of these beauty boxes we've gotten hand sanitizer, and it's not like that. It's like some of them don't smell like that at all. And one of them was a lotion. We got like a hand sanitizer lotion.
Okay, the last item in my box is a $5 NYX butter gloss.
Cute. Sunday Riley Saturn Sulfur Spot Treatment Mask, retail value of $20. Medicated spot treatment turned face mask helps clear up signs of it says maskne. Like, I guess the acne you get from wearing your mask. Maskne. While preventing new blemishes from forming. Sunday Riley is a good product. So I'm really happy with these because, I mean, at the end of the day, like, this is worth way more than the $30. Okay, so this is the Hyaluronic Marine Melt Away Cleanser. Retail value of $13. This deeply hydrating yet refreshingly lightweight cleanser removes all visible signs of dirt, debris, and makeup as it nourishes the skin's microbiome.
So our next box is going to be the Walmart box, and it is $5.
And you can pay for the whole year up front, and then these boxes just show up. They're quarterly. FYI. Oh, look, a $10 gift card at www.beautycarechoices.com.
My first item is Dry Skin Therapy Hydra Silk Moisturizer. Very nice for the upcoming winter months.
Okay, so this is the Floetic Liquid Lipstick. I've not heard of this before. Retail value is $26. Says the struggle with lip products often revolves around the time it takes to line and fill. Ooh. So it's one of these twisted and it comes out. Let's see what color it is.
What is it?
It's lipstick.
Oh.
Liquid lipstick. Oh, no, it's a clicker. Gonna find out what color this is. You can buy this on Floetic.com. I'll put that website down below. I'm still squeezing. That's the thing about these. When you very first do them, they do take some time to come out. But it says this is designed to get it all done in just a few swipes. Plus, it has major staying power. So the pop of color lasts all day. Oh, this is like a nice light pink. Kind of, I don't know if I would call that neutral. Because once it goes on, I feel like I'm going to be clicking away my life over here. Okay, let's see. No, it's really like a gloss. It's super, super light. Interesting. Oops. I went to try and grab the lid and put it on and it's clicked again. Okay. That's neat.
My next item in the Walmart box is a curl defining lotion, humidity shield. Define and lock in soft, frizz-free curls.
That's a big bottle too.
It is a really big bottle.
I'll have to look at that in a second. This is the Dr. Zenovia Hyaluronic Acid and Peptide Serum. Retail value is $34. All natural, an ultralight moisturizing formula that makes skin look and feel supple, dewy, and well nourished. After cleansing and toning, pump this serum onto your fingertips and apply to face and neck, gently massaging in circular motions. Use once or twice daily. Love this box. And the last thing in here is just like a little pamphlet for the Sunday Riley product. One of my favorites. Love the tubes. Very happy.
Okay, I have yet another NYX Butter Gloss in the color Cranberry Pie. The next item in my box is an Argan Sheet Mask. Firms and smooths for a more youthful looking complexion.
So I actually forgot about this. Okay, so GlossyBox, for your first box, you can get it for $16 a month, but usually it's $21 a month. But this particular box, when I bought it, they had two different boxes. The other one is like a dark purple type of color. And it's very intricate, like the look of the box. Look at that. Super, like, wow. It looks like a book that you're opening.
I thought it was a book.
Yeah, no.
I got excited.
You got excited?
I got excited.
Here's the book. So this is what the inside of the box looks like. Lots of beautiful detailing.
Last item is a raspberry lemon calm magnesium supplement. We get these really often.
Yeah, I think they're really trying to get their advertisement out there. So actually it has the other book on this one, which is pretty cool. Got our little cool thing here. Okay, so we've got 4 items in the box. 5 items in the box. Let's find out.
Okay, next for me is the Allure Beauty box. It's $15 a month. This is the inside.
First thing in my box is the Beauty Crop. What is this? Blush Duo. So the retail value of this is $23. Although, I don't know if this is full size or not. I'm thinking that it probably is.
The new company Tropical Sea. It retails for $70 and it is it says 2 to 3 shakes of powder into your moisturizer, serum, or mixed with water. Apply to clean skin daily.
Generation Clay Mask. Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. Retailing value of $21.50.
I have a Verso Super Eye Serum from Verso Skincare, and it retails at $65.
Wow. Earth Harbor Aurora Superfood Luminous Ampoule. I'm not sure how you say that. Retail value here is $32. I like when they come with the droppers because with serum you need very, very little and it spreads so easily.
Okay, this is a Static Nails Liquid Glass Liqueur in Irene color.
The color is Irene.
The color is Irene.
This is the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. Ooh, it looks luminescent. Retail value here is $22. I am going to open it because doesn't that from the inside look like it has like a glow to it, like a glittery glow, which I don't think setting powder should have.
Okay, this is a Dr. Jart Ceramide.
This is going to be like aluminum for you?
Aluminum.
Can you say aluminum now?
Aluminum.
Why do you sound like you're like, with your tongue? Like you're sticking your tongue to the top of your mouth when you say it.
Aluminum.
And panning on your face. Concentrating so hard. So this is a little bit teensy tiny shiny, but not enough to actually stick with it once you blow the powder off. Okay, so I didn't get the face mask, and it looks like they replaced it with this, which actually I'm not complaining at all. This is the Tree Hut Sugar Lips Lip Scrub, which I love lip scrubs, and I'm always looking for a one that, some of them are real oily or greasy, and I don't like that. Like I want the ones that have a little more grit to it so you can really scrub your lips. So I'm very happy with this. It's not in here from what I can see, which is totally fine. But I guess this replaced the lip mask. The lip mask was worth $9, and I could see this being a $9 product. But overall, very happy with the GlossyBox box. I can definitely use all of this stuff, except this. This is going to go in the giveaway. When we get to 100 subscribers, we are having a giveaway.
Okay. I have a Sigma liquid lipstick in the color Venom.
That's Venom.
Venom.
It is kind of a hot pink. I feel like.
Dark red.
You think it's dark red?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. That's it. That is definitely out for blood color.
I like it.
And my last thing here is the Curly Queen kit, which, what was it, $15 a month, I think you said? And last time I got 3 products in it, so we'll see how many products I got in it this time. But if you follow the Curly Girl method, which I try to, mine is definitely a modified Curly Girl method. These are supposed to be, I believe, all Curly Girl method approved.
Lipicat. Lipicar. Lipikey. Lipcar.
It's a made-up word. Lipcar is fine.
Lipcar Balm. An intense repair moisturizing cream. Gotta make up words and stuff.
So, apparently there's a theme. Every single time they send these, they're all from the same company. So this entire company's line is Nature's Protein, and they are all Coconut Restore. They all say Coconut Restore. So this is Texture and Volume Spray. Just plain old coconut oil, apparently. Moisture and Shine Mist. Oops. Curl Mousse. Oh, I got 6 products this time. And Cream Conditioner Cleanser. And a leave-in conditioner. I don't know what this lid goes to because, oh. See, it's helpful to have 2 people here. Oh yeah, this has a really, really nice coconut smell to it. So I'm really excited to try these products.
Okay, I have a Wilman Schumann European Skincare Hydrating Collagen Eye Pads with a hydration booster for the eye contour area. You like eye pads, right? Eye pads? Like, oh wait, isn't
iPads.
iPads?
I was thinking iPads. And I was like, I don't even own an iPad. Why are you asking me that?
They sent an iPad.
Yes, I love iPads. And actually, I just wanted to show you that the Curly Queen kit sent us a card this time, and it has a 20% off code if you want to go shop on their site, New Curly Queen 20. I will put that down there in the screen too.
Okay, my last item is a Native Fig replenishing shampoo and then a replenishing conditioner.
Nice. I wonder what that smells like. I wish we could easily open it and close it back up, but we can't. So we won't know what it smells like until later. I liked all of the boxes. I thought they were great. Packaging is great on these 2, which is why I set them up like this. Like, I really like the packagings. And these are the full size, highly recommend, but order the whole year if you're gonna do this, because if you try to catch it on time when the bi-monthly one comes available, it's probably gone already. Like, they disappear like that, especially if there's really good products in it, which, as you can see, they are very nice, full size, brand name products. So
I enjoyed all my boxes. I thought they were very full for the prices that they are. The Allure box was very satisfying. The Walmart box, I was surprised that it had such a big product in it.
yeah,
Especially considering it's $5. And then the Adore box was great. I loved the NYX lipstick. I can't wait to try that out. So,
and
thumbs up for me.
What's great with the Adore box too is that it's not always beauty products, and it's a complete surprise. So I really like that about the Adore box, because they do make pretty good choices on what they stick in there. So it does tend to be a pretty good box. But let us know if there's any beauty boxes that you'd like to see on the channel down in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like if you did enjoy this video, if you're still here. And in the meantime, have a beautiful, beautiful Friday. Bye.